Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this yummy delicious peppered chicken, guys. Please do watch this video and remember to subscribe to my channel as I'll be posting new recipes every week, guys. Thank you very much. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use today to make my hot and spicy chicken, guys. In here I have one whole chicken that I cut and washed already. So these are the spices that I'm going to use to spicing and season up this chicken. I'm going to be using some thyme, some ginger powder, black pepper, some aromat, and I'm also going to be using 2 hot pepper, 1 onion, and my jumbo spice, my jumbo chicken spice, and my hot curry powder. I'm going to use some little salt and some virgin olive oil. So guys, as you can see, I have chopped my pepper into little pieces and my onion. I'm just going to throw in my spices inside. Right now I'm just adding some ginger, so when I'm done adding all my So guys, as you can see, I have added all the spice and some virgin olive oil inside my blender, and I'm just going to blend it till it's smooth, so all the ingredients will get to mix together, and I'm going to pour it inside my bowl of chicken. Right now I'm adding my thyme to season because I didn't want to blend the thyme with the ingredients, so I'm just adding my dried thyme. And I'm going to pour in all my ingredients that I mixed in my blender. So guys, right now if you have your kitchen glove, you can just put it on your hand and use it to properly mix it. So right here I didn't have any chicken glove. I just get my stick and use it to mix it, as I don't want to use my hand. This sauce is very spicy, guys. It's so spicy, so I just use my stick to mix them all together and add some hot chili powder. So guys, please, if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that red button. It's free, and subscribe to my channel and smash on that bell so you know when I post new videos, guys. So right now you just make sure you mix all the ingredients together. Then when you're done mixing the ingredients with your chicken, you just leave it to sit for 1 or 2 hours depending on you. You can also leave it all through the night in the fridge to put it in your oven for the next day. So right now I'm done. I'm just using my hand to sprinkle some olive oil on my oven pan. So I'm going to spread out the chicken and put it in the oven to cook for some minutes depending on your oven. I guess I leave mine for up to 30. So guys, as I said, depending on your oven, you can always check to see if it's properly cooked, but I left mine there for some minutes, 40 minutes. So I'm going to cover with my foil paper. And there you go, guys. That's the end result of my chicken. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this chicken did not spend the next day in my house. My husband enjoyed this chicken, and also I did enjoy it. The only problem was that my kids could not have the chicken because it was so hot and spicy. Come on guys, give this chicken a try as your Easter treat for your guests, and I bet you they are really going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.